everyone, I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Beyellian cluster lashes and also show you how I achieve this eyelash look. If you're interested, keep on watching. The first one we're going to be talking about is called Tuxedo. This one has high density, but it is lightweight. If you want to bring some boldness to your eyes, check out this one. The next one is called Twin Flowers. This one is very pretty and natural. If you want to achieve the natural look, you can apply 4 to 5 pieces to each eye. This one is called Timeless. It looks very beautiful. I feel like it's between natural and dense. If you want something in between, check out this one. The last one is called Luxury. As you guys can see, I've already tried this on before because you can actually use these multiple times, which is great. This set gives you such a beautiful silk effect and I am so obsessed with this. I really hope that you guys try this out as well. I will be using the Cluster Lash Glue by Beyellian. It's supposed to last up to 48 hours. It is waterproof and alcohol free. I will be using this curved tweezers to help me apply the cluster lashes. You can use any other tweezers that you're comfortable with, and I will be also using this portable fan. For the application process, you'll want to make sure that your natural lashes are nice and clean. I'm going to start by applying the Cluster Lash Glue on one eye. Now that I've applied the glue on one eye, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the cluster lashes. I will be using Twin Towers and Timeless today. What I'm going to do second is apply the 60mm from Twin Towers to the center of my natural lashes. Now I'm going to take the 40mm from the Twin Flowers and apply it to the inner corner and the outer corner of my lashes. What I really enjoy about cluster lashes is that it is so easy to apply and you can really customize your own look. To create more density, I'm going to take Timeless and apply the 60mm to the center of my eyelid and the 40mm to the inner corner and outer corner of the lashes. This is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. I will talk to you all soon. Thank you. Bye.